first problem I'll show you how to do on solving absolute value equations is absolute value x minus 2 equals 10.
Keep going, just keep going.
First, you take the equation of absolute value, then you add 2 to each side, getting x equals 12. Then you'll do x minus 2 equals negative 10. Add 2 to each side, again, getting x equals negative 8. Oh, I only boxed one side.
Alright, how to solve a two-step absolute value equation. So you have to set it equal to 12 and then equal to negative 12. Alright, and then you gotta subtract 4 both sides. And then you have to divide by 2. So 4 for that one. And then subtract 4. Negative 16. Divide by 2. X equals negative 8. Oh.
Alright, so the next problem we're going to do on the how-to video is 3 times the absolute value of 4x plus 6 equals 42. So first we need to distribute this 3 into both numbers. So we're going to have 12x plus 18 equals 42. So we need to subtract 18. Make sure you take it from both sides. And you get 12x equals 42 minus 18 is 24. Then you need to divide both sides by 12 to isolate your x. And for our first answer, we get x equals 2. Now we need to set it equal to negative 42. So we're going to do the same problem, but equal to negative. So we subtract 18 again from both sides. We get 12x equals negative 60. Then again, we have to divide both sides by 12 to isolate our x. And we get x equals negative 5. And we need to plug these two answers back in to make sure we're correct. So we get 3 times the absolute value of 4 times 2 plus 6 and absolute value equals 42. So 4 times 2 is 8. Take it one step at a time. 8 plus 6, 16. Alright, for our last problem, we're going to do 2 times the absolute value of 5x minus 5 equals 30. So first, again, we have to distribute into these two numbers. So we get 10x minus 10 equals 30. We add 10 to both sides. We get 10x equals 40. And then to isolate our x, we divide both sides by 10. And we get x equals 4. Now we have to set it equal to negative. So we're going to have 10x minus 10 equals negative 30. We have to add 10 to both sides. You get 10x equals negative 20. Then you divide by 10 to isolate your variable. You get x equals negative